The officials of the motor vehicles department seized the air horns from the vehicles which were being used illegally. The Minister for Transport, Kerala, Sri Ganesh Kumar, gave them a direction to destroy it publicly on the public roads by using road rollers. The officials did so. The scene of doing these illegal activities have become so visible and viewed by the public at large. The seizure of the air horns is legal, and the owners are entitled to get it back by undergoing the procedures for it. The officials cannot destroy it, and also the minister cannot give a direction to destroy it. The acts of giving such a direction and destroying the same are absolutely illegal. Ours is a country, the rule of law is here. The law is ruling, not the ministers and their subordinates. The acts of destroying the air horns by the officials and also act of giving orders to do so by the minister, both are illegal and unsustainable and punishable. So my request to the owners of the vehicle to proceed against the minister as well as the officials who did these illegal acts, civilly and criminally, and to teach them a lesson that they cannot take law into their own hands.